Hey guys, we received this DecorSmart Figurine Arts and Craft Kits for adults for test and try. It's a 3D do-it-yourself kits with the hobbies for adults or women or men with the paint by numbers or the kit for adult artist or the gift for the artist. So you can see comes in a really nice protective packing. So this is a peacock and here is the peacock with a nice material. So the paint by numbers and the decorate with the diamond painting thing and also have all the supplied kits and everything you need for this. So this figurine is pro acrylic, so it's really a nice material. So when you paint on this, I will show like the painting on it, and my impression is a higher pigment density with the finer ground pigment and smooth and uniform paint finish. So I will show like when I do that. Comes with this two brush, one is a fine brush and the other is the white brush. And is easy to clean of course as well and work like a pro painter. The wet palette and the natural hair liner brush, so more control. So the glue kit, all these different colors and the sheets and everything. So everything is supplied and you can see all the numbers, the glue for putting in this diamond or the small things, the pencil thing for putting in for your diamond stuff, and then the small the diamond things like small the blue stuff. So there are the sheets to put in all your colors and then use it for the soaking and everything. So this have everything you need to start painting in, and the manual is provided. You can draw this in a three different colors thing. So I choose the blue one, but you can choose like any one you want. So like the greenish touch, the bluish touch, or the golden touch. So this figurine is actually 9.25 inches around and 4.88 inches in width. Make of really nice quality. It's very smooth. I can feel the touch and everything. And then, so the package includes the painting set, all the accessories, and the figurine set. So here I will start painting this one, and let's see how this goes. So in spite of using that sheet, I will just use this, my own plate so that I can mix the colors properly because I am a totally novice in this. I'm not an artist. So I need a proper mixing and the things. So I'm still learning all this painting and the stuff and doing this painting thing. So I like the painting and the smoothness of this figurine because when I do the painting on it, it is actually getting very fair and evenly distributed. And it holds really well. So this is the final product that we made, and you can see very nice bright colors with this figurine. It's smooth and shiny. There are two coats of the colors on it. My overall impression is a great figurine and a great thing to do your artistry stuff.